This Black History Month, we're highlighting how Black Americans have shaped the world we live in today. Right now, on social media, a post is claiming that the first paramedics in the U.S. were Black. 10 Tampa Bay anchor Josh Sidorowitz verifies the history you may not know.
We know that paramedics are vital in providing life-saving treatment in an emergency, but do you know how the profession originated here in the U.S.? One Twitter user claims the origins can be traced back to a group of Black pioneers from Pittsburgh. But is that true? Let's verify. Our sources are at the University of Pittsburgh, the city of Pittsburgh, Senator John Hines History Center, Kevin Hazard, a former paramedic and author of American Sirens, and the CDC. Paramedic first became a profession in the 1960s. In 1966, a National Academy of Sciences report documented the lack of proper emergency medical care. And one area that exemplified that lack of care was the Hill District. It was the largest Black neighborhood in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Former ambulance driver Phil Hallen teamed up with Dr. Peter Safar, an anesthesiologist known as the father of CPR, to create a private ambulance service to help the residents in that neighborhood. They recruited 20 Black men from the Hill District to start the first paramedic team, which would come to be known as the Freedom House Ambulance Service. At a city council meeting, Safar presented data showing that of the more than 4,000 patients Freedom House paramedics transported in their first year, fewer than 2% died before arriving at the hospital. It was a vast improvement from the previous methods. Before then, police officers, firefighters, even funeral directors in some cases responded to emergencies, but didn't offer much more than just basic first aid. Kevin Hazard, a former paramedic who also wrote a book about the Freedom House ambulance, tells Verify that other medical programs took notice and replicated it, creating the paramedic services that we now know today. So we can verify, yes, the first paramedics in the U.S. were Black men. The CDC estimates there are now more than 200,000 professional emergency medical technicians and paramedics in the U.S. With your Verify, I'm Josh Sidorowitz.
We're lucky to have them.
Yeah, we are.
All right, time now.